Happy Wednesday, everybody. I'm KHOU 11 Meteorologist Pat Cavlin here on KHOU 11 Plus. Just going to do a deeper dive on the forecast. There's not much going on weather-wise, which is nice, but we are starting to look ahead now towards the weekend and next week, of course, with Thanksgiving on the way. Let's talk about the near term, though. Today looks great. A lot of sunshine, 68 your high temperature, certainly breezy out there, but the wind will die down tonight, and with clear skies and low humidity, the temperatures will fall. 42 in the city, but 30s are likely once you get into the surrounding areas. So gusty winds out there. We got 20, 30 mile per hour gusts right now. That's definitely making it feel cooler, especially in the shade. So I would say it's jacket weather for this afternoon, getting into the evening and the overnight. Temperatures drop quite a bit tonight. Again, 30s and 40s for a lot of us. The good news, though, the sunshine sticks around, so that will help it feel a little bit warmer. And we do start to moderate temperature-wise as we go into the weekend and into the start, especially the start of next week. So here's the setup for the rest of today. Breezy. We've got this squeeze play going on between high pressure over West Texas, low pressure in the Great Lakes. That is funneling all of this cool air in our area for the time being. But again, we got a lot of sunshine out there, so it feels nice. Getting into tomorrow, it's a cold start, again in the 30s and 40s, then tons of sunshine for the day. Cool again, high temperatures up near 70 as high pressure builds. I think Friday is going to be the top day of the whole year. Mid 70s, no humidity, no breeze, or at least no wind, and just tons of sunshine. Temperatures make it into the mid 70s. So if you have the chance to work from home Friday, or maybe use one of those extra sick or vacation days before the year wraps up, that would be the day to do it. Wind gusts really do start to come down through the afternoon. We start off with them in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range, but look at this. Once the sun goes down, the wind really starts to die off. And as that backs off, those temperatures will drop in a hurry. Look at this. By Thursday morning, we're talking about low 40s in the city. But once you get out of the city, a lot of mid to upper 30s out there. Conroe, you're going to be in the 30s tonight. You actually may drop to the low and mid 30s by morning. So just keep that in mind. If you have any sensitive plants outside, bring them in tonight. The only warm spot on the map will be Galveston, probably hanging on to the 50s still because of the warmer water surrounding the island. But the humidity stays low. Temperatures will be low here. Look at this. Next 3 days, 42 for tomorrow morning, 45 Friday morning, 47 Saturday morning. And then the numbers pop back up Sunday into the start of next week. The reason for that is because the humidity starts to go back up in that Sunday to Tuesday time frame. So with low humidity, overnight temperatures can drop quite a bit. But the humidity bops back into the low end of the humid range. It won't be a huge noticeable difference, but it is going to be enough to keep those overnight temperatures warm. The humidity does go back up quite a bit, though, by the time we get to Wednesday. And it's not just the humidity, it is the afternoon temperatures as well. So 70 for your high tomorrow, still below normal. And then 72, 74, up to 81 Sunday. So we do get into a warming trend with a little more humidity for Sunday into the start of next week. And that comes in ahead of our next cold front. And that next cold front looks to pass through Wednesday into Thursday. And of course, next Thursday is Thanksgiving. So temperature-wise for Thanksgiving, it looks like the 70s right now, with temperatures turning even cooler as we get into Black Friday. So here's the setup. We're seeing temperatures below normal right now. As we go through the weekend, the below normal numbers go east and warmth takes over again as we get into the weekend. And you just saw that with temperatures back into the 80s. So widespread warmth here for the south getting into Monday. That'll be short-lived, though, as another cold front comes in. This is Wednesday into Thanksgiving Day. It looks like a shower chance for Wednesday night. This computer model, though, takes the showers out of here by Thursday morning. So I think the parade looks okay right now. But boy, that is going to bring in another rush of cooler weather for Thanksgiving night, getting into Black Friday and likely into the start of December. For the rest of today, though, mid 60s up north, around 70 to the south. We'll split the difference in the city at 68 with breezy conditions and tons of sunshine. Overnight, 30s in those surrounding areas. Will be around the low 40s, though, for Harris County. And then again, the warm spot on the map at the coast, Galveston at 57 degrees under clear skies. There's your 7-day forecast. We'll do 70 for tomorrow afternoon with sunshine, 72 Friday, 74 on Saturday, and then we jump into the low 80s for Sunday. And again, that's going to come with a little more humidity, but we do stay dry with mainly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Mid 80s, it looks like, is where we'll peak as we get into Monday. And then beyond this, again, maybe a shower chance getting into Wednesday, which could linger into Thanksgiving as another cold front comes in, bringing temperatures back down into the 70s by the end of next week.